HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First, I started with the HTML part. I set up a basic structure with a heading and a button that says Generate Random Color. Next, I styled the page using CSS. I centered everything on the screen using Flexbox, added padding, and gave the button some nice hover effects to make it interactive and look good. After that, I moved on to JavaScript to make the page dynamic. I created a function called getRandom Inside this function, I used a for loop and JavaScript's math.random to pick random characters from a string of hex digits and math.floor to round them off. This way, I created a full 6-digit hex color code like A1B2C3. Then I made another function called Change Background Color. When the button is clicked, this function is triggered and it changes the background color of the whole page using the random color generated. So, in short, we used HTML to build the layout, CSS for styling, and JavaScript to add the fun, making the background color change every time you click the button. Simple, clean, and fun. Click New Color every time. Like and subscribe for more quick projects.